Are you frustrated? Are you not finding any real estate deals? At least that's what I keep hearing out there. There are no deals. Let me ask you this. If there are no deals out there, how are people doing deals? Maybe you don't know all the different ways that you can find deals. Wouldn't that be the first step? Well, guess what? I'm going to offer a class. I'm going to offer a class showing you 100 different ways to find deals. I'll give you a tip though. Think about this. This is a pretty easy one. Get out and walk neighborhoods. If you walk a neighborhood, you'll learn so much about it. You'll get to know the community. You can look for mail overflowing out of a mailbox, look for overgrown grass, look for boarded windows. There are a lot of houses in great neighborhoods that people just left. So, wouldn't it help you to know that there's different ways to find deals than just hiring a real estate agent or just going the auction block? Join me at my class and I will show you so many different ways. I can't go over all of them now or put them on my blog. Let me tell you why. There's pros and cons to each. Believe it or not, your personality, your temperament, your skill set, your financial situation, all of these are going to matter when it comes into picking which way is right to find your deal. So I'm telling you right now, join me in my class. There's a link. Click on that link. I want to see you there. If you want success in real estate investing, come with me to Linda Harrelson. I've been doing it 18 years and love downturns, and we're going to have one. So join me soon. Bye.